Hey, Wade Summerlin here with Utility Service Agency representing Sherman+Reilly. And today I've got a Duct Dawg behind me and I'm going to talk about the very first step of pulling underground conductor, and that is getting your pull line in the conduit. You may have faced challenges with this, whether it be just the manual process of pulling in the pull line, or it might be a conduit where the pull line was gone. Sherman+Reilly has a solution for you. It is an air adapter kit, and with our onboard compressor and all of the different size variances for your different conduits with a bird, this kit will allow you to blow your pulling cable directly in without having to worry about all those traditional steps of using a pull tape. I've got a job right here in front of me. Come with me, I'm going to show you how it works. Hey everybody, we're in the field today pulling in wire with New River Power and Light. We've got our Sherman+Reilly Duct Dawg. We're about to blow this winch line in and we're going to pull back some 350 MCM three-phase. We've got one run done. About to do the second, give you a quick look at what it looks like for the air adapter. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our winch line off the machine. We're going to connect it to the proper size bird. Some people call this a rat. And then we're going to do this through a lightweight carabiner so we minimize the weight we're going to have to blow through. Second thing we're going to do, we come in here, we're going to use poly water lube. We're going to throw a little bit of lube down in the pipe just to help this bird fly. And we'll stick her down into the pipe, get her down there, ready to go. Next thing, out of the Sherman+Reilly air adapter kit, we're going to select the proper size adapter for our conduit. This is 6" today. The kit does come with everything to handle 2 through 6". We'll put that in there. That has tapered threads, so you put that in there. Get a big wrench supplied by Sherman+Reilly to tighten that down. You torque this down, and you want to torque that down pretty good. Once you get that down pretty good, we have our main body assembly. It's going to couple over this, lay the winch line in the middle, lock her down like that, put our safety on. We're going to torque that down real nice. And then we have an air adapter inlet right here, which we're going to feed air from, directly from the Sherman+Reilly Duct Dawg with his onboard air compressor. Okay, we're ready to blow this winch line. I'm going to turn this air compressor on and get it started. What you'll see here, I'm going to put the air to it and you'll see the line start to run. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to pay out. And there we go, guys. All right, we're running at 271 feet per minute. And this is about a 300-foot span, so stay tuned. 300 foot, and she's out. So I'm just going to kill the air here and shut her down. And that's the process of blowing in a winch line with the Sherman+Reilly Duct Dawg. Thank you for taking a minute to watch that video. Please reach out to Utility Service Agency. Let us come support you for all of your underground pulling needs with the Sherman+Reilly product line.